everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another Chill Talk with me, Mike. Today we're going to dive into a super useful topic, transportation, how to actually talk about it in English like a native.
Hey guys, I'm Lily, and honestly, this topic hits home. We use transportation every single day. Cars, buses, subways, scooters, you name it. So if you can talk about it naturally, you're golden.
Exactly. You don't want to sound like a textbook when you say, I take the bus. Let's spice it up with real phrases Americans actually use.
So Mike, how do you usually get to work?
Depends on the day. If traffic's bad, I grab my e-bike. It's fast, saves gas, and honestly, it's kind of fun.
Nice. See, he didn't say, I ride a bike to work. He said, I grab my e-bike. That's way more natural.
Practice with us. Repeat. I grab my car keys. I grab an Uber. I grab the subway. Good. See, you're already sounding local. Exactly. Now, if I'm feeling lazy, I'll just say, nah, I'm driving today.
Right. Americans love using the verb drive instead of repeating take the car. Like, I drive to the gym, not I take the car to the gym.
Yeah. Take the car sounds kind of robotic, you know?
Let's talk about traffic. Ugh, everyone's nightmare.
Don't even get me started. LA traffic drives me nuts.
See what he did there? Drives me nuts. That means it makes me crazy.
Exactly. So, instead of saying traffic is very bad, say traffic drives me crazy, or I was stuck in traffic forever. Exercise 2. Quick repeat. I was stuck in traffic. Traffic drives me crazy. Awesome.
You can also say the highway was packed. Packed means super crowded.
Or the freeway was bumper to bumper. That's when cars are so close they could kiss.
Totally.
So Lily, do you ever take Ubers?
All the time. I'll say I called an Uber or I grabbed a Lyft. Americans love using grab for stuff like that. Grab a ride, grab some food.
Yeah. Or you can say, I hopped in an Uber. That's another casual way to say got into. Exercise 3. Repeat after us. I hopped in an Uber. I grabbed a Lyft. I caught a ride with my friend. That's perfect. And when the driver talks too much?
Haha, yeah, you can say, man, my Uber driver was super chatty.
Or he wouldn't stop talking.
Okay, next one, bikes. Americans often say, I rode my bike to work, but also, I biked to work.
Yup, drop the ride. I biked downtown. We biked to the beach. Sounds smoother.
And if you're walking, you can say, I walked there, but also slang like, it's just a short walk, or it's walkable.
Yes, for example, I love this city. Everything's walkable.
Let's say you're waiting for a bus. How would you start a small talk?
Maybe, hey, do you know when the next bus is coming? Or, man, this bus is taking forever.
Exactly. Taking forever means it's super late.
Or if you missed it, you could say, dang, I just missed my bus.
And if that happens to you all the time?
Then you can laugh and say, story of my life.
Exercise 4. Repeat. I just missed my bus.
This bus is taking forever.
Story of my life.
Ha ha ha. Now you sound like a real commuter.
Now, we're going to talk about how Americans actually talk about getting around.
Exactly. Like the phrases you'll actually hear in real life. Not those textbook ones like, I am taking the bus to my workplace.
Right, nobody talks like that. In real life, someone would say, I'm gonna catch the bus. I'm hopping on the train. I'm driving to work.
Or, yo, I'll give you a ride. That's super common.
Yep. And in the US, people say give someone a ride instead of give someone a lift. That's more British.
Exactly. So if your friend says, hey, I don't have my car. You can be like, no worries, I'll give you a ride. Boom, natural English.
So Lily, how's your daily commute?
Ugh, don't even start. My commute is like 45 minutes each way. I'm always stuck in traffic.
I feel that. LA traffic's a nightmare.
Tell me about it. I leave early, but somehow I still end up running late.
Classic. And if you're listening right now, here's a good phrase. Stuck in traffic. That's what we say when the cars aren't moving.
Yup, like, sorry, I'm late. I got stuck in traffic.
And when the traffic's smooth, we say the roads are clear or the traffic's light today.
Right. And sometimes we say rush hour. That's when everyone's heading to or from work, usually around 8 a.m. or 5 p.m.
Exactly. And if you want to sound supernatural, say something like, I try to avoid rush hour, or I hit the road before rush hour starts.
Nice. Speaking of hit the road, that's an American expression too.
American expressions and slang about transportation.
Yeah, hit the road means to start a trip or to leave. Like, all right, guys, let's hit the road.
Or, I'm gonna hit the road. It's getting late.
Exactly. Other cool ones? Ride shotgun, that means sitting in the front passenger seat. Carpool, when you share a ride with coworkers or friends. Gas up, to fill your car with fuel.
And road trip. That's a classic American thing.
Oh yeah, when you drive long distances for fun, that's a road trip.
And people usually pack snacks, play music, and take random stops at gas stations.
Yep. Road trips are all about vibes. So Mike, what about idioms?
All right, here are some you'll definitely hear in the States. In the same boat, meaning in the same situation. We're both broke this month. We're in the same boat. Or drive someone crazy, to annoy someone. That traffic drives me crazy. Or miss the bus, meaning to miss an opportunity. You should have applied earlier. You missed the bus.
Nice. And another one, backseat driver. That's someone who tries to control everything when they're not even driving.
Yeah, like, dude, chill. Stop being a backseat driver.
And fast lane can mean living life at high speed, like always busy, always hustling.
That's deep. I like that. She's living life in the fast lane. All right, let's make it interactive. I'll say a situation and you, the listener, guess what phrase fits.
Ooh, I love this part. Okay, go.
You're leaving for a long trip. What do you say?
Let's hit the road.
Boom. Next one. You're sitting in the passenger seat next to your friend driving.
I'm riding shotgun.
Nice. Next, you're super annoyed by the traffic.
This traffic's driving me crazy.
Perfect. One more. You and your friend both forgot your wallets.
We're in the same boat.
You got it. If you nailed these, you're doing awesome. Now, we're talking airport lingo, slang at the check-in counter, and how not to sound like a total tourist.
That's the goal, right? Blend in like a local.
All right, so picture this. You're at LAX, bags in hand, lines long, coffees in the other hand, total chaos.
And if you're traveling late, you might say, I'm flying carry-on only. That means you didn't check in any luggage.
Yep. Or, I just got my boarding pass. That's the paper or digital ticket you show at the gate.
And don't forget security check. Americans usually say, I'm going through TSA. TSA stands for Transportation Security Administration. They're the airport security folks.
Right. And if they scan your bag, don't freak out. Just say, all good? Or, we're good?
Yeah, keep it chill. Americans are super casual with airport talk.
Exactly. Nobody says, excuse me, where is gate number 42? You'll hear, hey, where's gate 42 at?
Yep, drop the formal stuff, keep it simple and friendly.
Before we wrap this up, let's hit a few more advanced travel slang expressions for our US audience.
Oh yeah, here are some spicy ones. Catch some Z's, to sleep. I'm gonna catch some Z's before my flight. Crash at someone's place, to stay overnight. Can I crash at your place tonight? Hop on a call. Hop on a plane, to quickly do something. I gotta hop on a plane to Dallas. Road rage. Anger while driving. He's got serious road rage. Pit stop. Short stop during travel. Let's make a pit stop for snacks.
And the most American of all, let's roll, meaning let's go.
Yeah, every road trip starts with that line.
All right, folks, that's the end of our transportation talk, or slang American talk.
We went from buses to road trips to flights, all the real-life American ways to talk about getting around.
Yup, now you can walk into an airport or hop in an Uber and sound like a local.
If you like this series, make sure to share it with your friends learning English.
And don't forget, real English is not just grammar. It's rhythm, vibe, and slang.
Exactly. Talk like you're part of the culture, not just the language.
All right, everyone. Thanks for hanging out. Till next time, keep learning, keep vibing, and keep rolling. Peace out.